Hola, my name is Cristina with Coldwell Banker. And today, as you can see, it's another beautiful day in Puerto Vallarta as usual. Today, we're gonna go learn more about the beautiful oceanfront Mar Azul, condo development and bucerías. Ready? It's coming up. Hola and welcome to Mar Azul. Mar Azul is in pre-construction. It will be delivered in December 2022. Just in time for the holidays. Mar Azul offers 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, and 2 penthouses with 4 bedrooms. It is an oceanfront development. The amenities are incredible. Rooftop, climate pool, gym, and a lot more. Please join me to check it out.
Hi, I'm Hannah from Coldwell Banker. Are you ready to go see your next property? Let's go. Welcome to Brisa del Mar. This charming 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom condo is located in the heart of the Zona Romantica and is listed at just under $330,000. Let's check it out.
Hi, my name is Clara and I'll be taking you to your next property. Hi you guys and welcome to Casa Novi. This is an 11-bedroom, 7-bathroom house listed at 1.7 million USD. Let's take a look.